Pico Chemical Corporation, providing specialty chemicals to the steel industry and those that support it since 1976. This is a roll chock at a local Northwest Indiana steel mill. Typically, this is how they look when they come out of the mill, covered in mostly baked-on grease. They're experiencing upwards of 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Pico Chemical was tasked to formulate a cleaner for this application. It needed to be sprayed on with a garden-type sprayer, be low foaming, environmentally friendly, and still work its way through the baked-on grease. This roll was sprayed by the crew prior to their lunch break. I was waiting for them when they came back 35 to 40 minutes later. They got to work immediately, and by the time I got up the single flight of stairs and got my video going, they had cleaned a good portion up already. Take a look and pay attention to how the cleaner has worked through the baked-on grease. They are not using a lot of pressure, and that is not steam. Pico Chemical formulated Picoclean 126 AM for this application. The crew was very impressed with the way it worked. What do you need clean?